Hello, dear students. Welcome back once again in your computer classes. Hope you are good at home and your studies are also going well. So, in our last video, we have done little part of our curricular assessment first, which is of page number 53. So, already we have completed A part, which is MCQs in book only. Then B part, give very short answers to the following questions. This we have completed, and I have checked copies also, and mostly students have completed their work till here. Okay, and those who haven't completed till now, then they will complete it. If you haven't completed, then first of all go through the last video which was uploaded earlier. Okay, in that video A and B part are given. Okay, so today we are going to do our C part, which is give short answers to the following questions. So you can open your page number 53 in your book, and you can take out your notebook. So let's start. Our first question is, what are the three parts of CPU? Actually, this is revision. Okay, curricular assessment is the revision of all these chapters we have completed. 3 chapters we have completed now. Yes. So our first question is, what are the three parts of CPU? From here you can see the questions, and now maximum students are having books. Okay. So this is our first question and answer is here. So, three parts of CPU are, first of all, ALU, arithmetic logical unit, B, control unit, CU, and C, memory unit, MU. Okay, this is your first answer. Very simple. Then, come on. Second question. Name any 4 places where computers are used. This answer you know very well. So, 4 places where computers are used are hospitals, banks, education. Education means educational institutions like schools, colleges, okay, universities, coaching centers. So these are the educational institutions, okay, and then hotels. So these are 4 places where computers are used. Many more places are there. We have learned, such as in the research centers also, and then in technical field, in entertainment also, science and technology. Okay, these are the fields, or these are the places where computer is used. Okay, and even you can write any 4. Now, our third question is, what is called the brain of a computer? And its second part is why. So, first of all, we have to tell what is called the brain of a computer. Yes, you know very well. CPU is called the brain of computer because it controls all the process of computer. Okay. As our brain controls all the actions in our body, in the same way CPU controls and process all the work in the computer. As we have studied in our first question also, there are 3 parts of CPU: ALU, CU and MU. Okay, so these 3 parts are the main or the important things that CPU have to operate on the system, on the computer system. Without CPU, computer will not work. That's why CPU is known as the brain of a computer. Okay, then moving towards our fourth question, what are the advantages of a GUI operating system? What are the advantages of a GUI operating system? What does GUI stand for? Graphic User Interface. Yes, you have to learn all the full forms. Okay, then see. A major advantage of GUI is that they make computer operations easier to understanding and learn. Okay, a major advantage of GUI is that they make computer operations easier to understand and learn. Make it understand. Okay, UNDERSTAND. Cut ing. No need to write ing here. Easier to understand and learn. Understood? Okay. Now, moving towards our fifth answer. What is the use of sticky notes option? Sticky note option. So, sticky notes is used to create short, handwritten or text-based notes. Okay. With the help of this option, we can maintain our notes. Which type of notes? Handwritten, text based or short notes. Okay, so sticky notes is used to create short, handwritten or text based notes. Okay, so that is all. Only this one we will do for today. It is enough. And what is your homework? You have to complete this work and you have to learn it. Okay, A, B and C part you have to learn, and in our next video we will continue this starting our D part. Okay, till then take care.